Hey guys, Ryan Hitson with Cycle News Magazine, and today we're at State Fair MX, and we just wrapped up riding the first ride on the 22 CRF450R. Personally, I'm really pumped about this bike because it is a big upgrade from the 21. This is kind of what the 21 should have been, right? The 21 was all new for that model year. New frame, swing arm, engine adjustments. I think it was 7 pounds lighter last year. So the only big problem that we had was, and everybody had, the ECU had a little bit of a glitch in it, and the suspension was a little too soft from the factory. So luckily for us last year, we did get the ECU flashed, and we just did some suspension tuning with like clickers and stuff. We never actually got it totally done. But for this year, Honda really learned their lesson and took a lot of feedback from riders and consumers. And this is like the bike that it should have been last year. The suspension's a lot stiffer, has a lot better hold up with mid to bottom, and then the ECU is nice and cleaned up from what it was last year. So really excited about this bike. We already did some of our first laps on it, and it is a really big improvement. Power is super clean, and the delivery is really nice. This track is really tight, not necessarily a 450 track. Pretty much you can leave it in second gear and hit everything. I rode it on map 1 today, and then I also rode it on map 2. Map 2 just to mellow it out a little bit. Like I said, this track is really tight, so you don't really need that big hit, and kind of smoothing out the power made it a little bit easier for me to ride, especially in some of the tighter ruts. And then for the suspension, I went 1 click out to make it a little softer at the front end, just to get a little more bite out of it. And I actually went 2 clicks out, and then that made it too soft, and then my sweet spot was just that 1 click out. So get some good feedback of this bike. We're excited to kind of continue riding this bike. We're going to be doing a 450 shootout later this year, where we'll put this bike up against the rest of the bikes in the class, and excited to see where it places, and then further from that to do some more testing on it, maybe exhaust, suspension, things like that, to kind of spruce it up and get the most out of this thing. So thanks for watching. Be sure to like, follow, and subscribe. Check out the Cycle News Magazine, and we'll see you guys next time.
Thanks, and yes.